Do you know where is Chewbacca? No? Yeah, and Ray. Yeah, no? You can go.
Hello. Oh my goodness, Chewie. You look just like our friend C-3PO.
No.
You must be with the Resistance then, yes? Excellent. What is it you do with the Resistance? Are you a pilot? Or a navigator, perhaps? No, maybe you're a Jedi. Ah, excellent. So you're using your way to Force. Perfect. Does he need some of his wires fixing like C-3PO? I don't think you're the best man for the job there, Chewie. I think it's a little bit too big with the small wires, that's all. Yes, we'll have to find a mechanic to fix it. Excellent. Should we take our eyes together?